It's 9 o'clock. I'm here inside my house, Olagatti Ambalam, with my mother. Mom is watching 9 o'clock news. Okay? 9 o'clock, December 1st, Monday. I will be watching Bigg Boss now. As usual, my routine, my favorite program, Bigg Boss. So I'm watching Bigg Boss through my Mukum's Jio Hotstar. Okay. So we are here.
Yes, your voice.